Hello friends, this is Dr. Sangeeta Joshi from Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Mumbai. We are currently studying the course Fundamentals of Logic Circuits. It's a lab course. Let us try to understand today how to install LTSPICE simulator. This is the link for the LTSPICE simulator files. This is a zipped file and the link is given to you. This link is also provided to you through your Teams which were created for the 3 labs. So the procedure is first download this zip file, then unzip the file. The zip file name is LTSPICE installation files, and then unzip this file. Once you unzip this file, you will find that it contains one folder titled SYM, which is for the symbol. Second is the 74hct.lib file, which is a SPICE directive, because we are using the 74 series gates in the LTSPICE simulator. So we need to include this file, and this is the application or exe file for the LTSPICE, which you will have to run for getting the LTSPICE installed on your laptop or computer. So this file, you run the LTSPICE file so that you will get its installation. After you install, you will find that in the lib folder, you will find a CMP file folder, subfolder and symbol folder. You will also find a symbol folder there. Now, you open the LTSPICE file. Once you, and it will create a shortcut also. So once you click on that shortcut, you will get a, open the LTSPICE. That is the, here you are seeing the screen for the LTSPICE. Once you click on the file, then open the new schematic from the file tab. So you click on the file, the first tab itself is a new schematic tab. So on the new schematic, you will find that there is a component symbol. This is a toolbar where you will find that there is a AND gate like structure. That symbol is the component tab. So click on the component tab. Once you click on the component tab, in the next stage, you will find that here I have shown it is a directory path. What is this directory path? This is the C:user / Dr. Sangeeta Joshi. So actually this path is nothing but where I have installed my LTSPICE. Of course, in your case, this path would be different. So you, whatever is that path, that you note it down, because whatever the 74hct.lib SPICE directive, we are supposed to upload in that library file. I'll let you know all this procedure. So you'll have to note down this path, which I have shown it by the arrow. So LTSPICE lib folder path is. Now once you noted down that path, the two files which I have shown, one is the 74hct.lib file. So you'll have to copy this file into the LTSPICE lib folder. The path is already you have noted down. So in the lib folder, you copy this 74hct.lib file and you copy paste all the files in the downloaded folder sim, whatever the sim folder which I have shown, which is almost having 20 symbols of the 74 series. So that you download into the sim folder of the LTSPICE installation file. So this path is already we have noted down. So here you do not entirely copy the folder as it is sim into this sim. You copy paste all the 20 files, copy all the 20 files and paste it into this sim folder. I'll also show you the demonstration. What is the next step? Next step is how to include this file now. Now, once this is done, that all files are copied, you will have to shut down the LTSPICE and again open or reopen the LTSPICE. Then you click on the SPICE directive tab through edit menu or through the toolbar. After this, you will find that .op symbol is there, or you can have an edit option. So in the edit option also, there is a .op SPICE directive. Of course, you have to first go into the schematic. So once you open the schematic, then there is a edit menu in the edit.op SPICE directive. After you click on the SPICE directive, you will find a window would be pop up. You would find this window here. Now in this window, you select the SPICE directive. Don't select this comment or anything else. You select the SPICE directive. What you are supposed to do now, you are supposed to type the dot include 74HCT lib. So this file you are typing here. So that you are telling the LTSPICE to include this file whenever you are using this simulator. Now, after you enter this, then you will find that this file is displayed on the schematic window as like this. Doctor dot include 74HCT lib. So that will display in the schematic window. Now, once you have done that, you try to verify whether actually 74 series files symbols have been added or not. And to verify that, what you have to do, you have to click on again this component, and then here you just type here 74. Then you will find all 74 series symbols which you have added just now after your LTSPICE installation. You will find that this is a NAND gate 7400. Once you click that, you will get a 7400 in your schematic.